Hello, y'all. Steve here. I don't have my hat on. It's late in the evening. It's what, about 7:30? About 7 o'clock. And I'm at my trailer. The weather's not great. Might have some thunderstorms rolling through. Black clouds. But I'm in my trailer. I'm grounded. Anyway, today I'm going to hang my spindle here. I got a up here. This is my spool thing for my stringer trimmer line. It holds it up there so I can unspool it. I've always had it hanging right here. Or hanging right here. Anyway, I got tired of it. I'm walking into the mower. As you can see with this one, I broke the housing on the spool right there. So I decided today I'm going to hang it up tonight. Now I'm thinking about putting it right about here or so. Still about, something like that. You gotta avoid the bolt there because that's where the joint is in the trailer, the metal rebar. So I don't know if I should put it down. Well, I'll probably put it this way more. Anyway, I took my other mower out so I can't tell if I'm in the right spot. Hold on a second while I get that. Okay, I'm back. So anyway, originally I had this hanging up here, way back in the dark end of my trailer. Had it hanging up here. I had it hanging by 2 wires. Then it'd swing back and forth to break the wires. So then I just started hanging it over here on this hook here. Now, this is my trimmer rack. I only have 1 trimmer. I mean, I got room for, 1 up there, 2 there. I got my duct tape on that one, and 3 down here. Well, this one down here is all bent up, and this side's all bent. So I'm only going to use the 2 racks anyway. The 2 slots for trimmers. I only have 1 trimmer anyway. So anyway, so I'm going to hang this up there. I'm going to try and film this. I have really no place to set this, so I'm going to have to set this over here. Hopefully, I set it on my mower seat here. Let me see if you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that ain't too bad. Not the greatest view in the world. My mower there's in the way. Anyway, so this little handle here is to cut the string as you unwire it. It has a cutter on both sides, so it makes it universal. Well, it doesn't matter which way you hang it. Then I got my marker pin here. I'm going to hang it above that knot there. I only got 2 bolts. I'm going to put in the last one here and the last hole there. So I'm going to drill a pilot hole on those 2 dots there. And then that way it'll give me what I need. And I got my drill bits here. Here's the 2 bolts I'm going to put in right here. I'm going to set them right here. And I got a drill bit out that's not too small, not too big. And that's in this pile here. I got a nice selection. My neighbor passed away, and I found in the garage sale all the different kind of bits you'd ever need, for drilling anyway. So I'm probably going to go with this bit. Don't want to go too big, then it wobbles out. So I'm going to go with this fairly small bit. I got my drill here. One way. There we go. Now I don't want to go too far, don't go to the side. Well, it doesn't matter if I go to the side. There's a gap of, I don't know, an inch or 2 between that and the outside wall. So, drill a couple holes, pilot holes here. Now I didn't check for levelness or anything like that. This is just a quickie hanger up job. I'm not, going for perfection here. Like, some people do. They get the level out. They do all that stuff. I'm not that concerned. It's a holder rack for my string trimmer, so it's not that big of a deal. Okay, I got to take the battery out of this already and go downstairs and get my extra battery. The wind is really making it nasty out there. And I got my 2 bolts here. Gotta get the right size socket. Hopefully I got a right size socket here. That's too small. Try the next one up. I found out putting this in with an impact wrench is far easier, far quicker than a ratchet. Anyway, that's my opinion anyway. It's like I'm drilling into concrete, so I really don't need the, tungsten steel they put it. And I have to take this apart. So it's gonna fall. This side here comes off, so you can make it for different size spools. So that side's gonna fall off. The bolt goes all the way through, so I gotta take this off here. Not that big of a deal. Just I gotta do it anyway when I put the new spool on. So, okay, now we'll get one of the bolts started here. It's a little noisy in a trailer, tin trailer, I'll tell you. So it's gonna be a little noisy for those of you people out there. Is barely left enough room for my bracket to get on there. Oh no. I didn't think of that. When I did that, I should have put a washer in behind. Oh well. It's good enough. Okay. Noisy part's done. Now, here comes the fun part. Because this is big hole, small bolt. I gotta get this on here the right way, because if I don't, then it goes to unravel. It doesn't unravel the right direction for me. Okay, that's the right way. Yep, I want the other end's up there, so I gotta feed this through here like this. You gotta kind of fed it through there the right way. Have you out here in the light, guys, so I can see it. That's the hard part. And this goes on here like that. If I can get it on there. There's that part. There's a hex in, bolts in, so you really don't need anything on there. And you put the little wing nut on. I haven't made a video in a while. I got a couple of them loaded up. I haven't posted them yet. I've been having trouble with my dear mom. She's 86 years old, and she fell down and hurt her back. So we've been doing with that with caretakers and all that fun stuff with that part. So that's always a fun, thrilling thing to do. Finding home health care and stuff. That works pretty good for the cutter. It's all done. Wasn't too bad. I don't know what it took me. 8 minutes. Anyway, it's on there. It didn't go anywhere for a while. I can get my other mower in there. I always buy these big spools. This one here is 105 is the diameter. And this one here I boo-booed and bought the wrong size, about 95. I don't know if you can see it on there or not. I don't know if you can see it. About 95. You can see it right there. Look at my fat finger. You see the 95? This was 105, so I bought a smaller gauge wire. I like that. There goes that one. I like the thicker wire because, or the thicker shimmer string, because it doesn't break off when you're edging concrete and stuff. But that's what it is, guys. All done, hung up. You know, I've been going to do this for like 2 years. I finally got it done, and it's going to be here for a while, and it's all set to go, and that's it for my video. I've rambled on for 9 minutes. Talk to y'all later. Remember, always be nice out there. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. I keep forgetting to put that in there. Not that I get that. I think I got like 110 subscribers. Not that big of a deal. Someday I might get big and have 10,000 or 100,000 like some of these other lawn guys. Don't think so. I don't monetize all that anyway. Y'all take it easy. Remember, like I said earlier, always be nice out there. Bye.